In TouchDesigner, there's a simple way to create this linked cubes, using table dats for the textures and pop operators to align the geometry side by side. Also simple me digits calculations for accurate instancing. If you're completely new to TouchDesigner, just comment guide to receive an interactive starter kit with everything you need to learn about the program. Now let's dive in. I've already set up my interactive camera viewport and hooked it up to a 720 by 1280 render pipeline. For the control logic, I'm using a radio button widget connected through a null and a lag chop for super smooth transitions between data states. Here's my raw text data inside two text DATs with words separated by commas. This feeds directly into a switch DAT driven by my radio button. I ran this through a convert and transpose DAT to get a clean column of individual letters, while an info chop automatically tracks the dynamic row count. Inside this base comp, I used a replicator to automatically generate these bold, high-res text tops for every single letter based on that exact table index. Now for the actual magic in the POP network. I started with a line pop, using a quick Python expression to perfectly match my data's row count. This connects to a pattern POP driven by absolute time to generate a custom width attribute. To keep the text cubes perfectly spaced without overlapping, I ran an accumulate POP to create an offset attribute and a math pop to calculate the half width. A math combine pop simply subtracts the half width from the offset to nail the exact center position for each letter. I fed all this instance data right into my box pop and geometry setup, using our custom width for the scale and mapping the generated text tops to the cube faces. I threw in a wireframe layer for those slick black outlines, duplicated the whole logic chain 3 times, and boom, a totally dynamic, data-driven typographic system. I built this interactive guide to break down the core concepts of TouchDesigner, so you can nail your first project from scratch. It features step-by-step videos and concrete explanations, so you truly understand the software. Comment guide and I'll send you the starter kit.